How to search Yahoo Mail by date. Follow this simple step to filter Yahoo Mail by date using Yahoo Mail app on your iPhone. Let's get started. Open your Yahoo Mail application. Tap the search bar icon from the top right corner of your screen. Type a keyword related to the email you are looking for. For example, sender name, subjects, or topic. To narrow result, use date. Use search filter in the next step. You can also tap into the filter icons just below the search bar. You can tap various filter options down below the search bar. For example, like past week, past month, older, or manually enter specific date range. Just tap apply to filter your results. The search result will now show emails within your selected date range. Tap onto the email to open and read it. And that's it. Now you can easily search Yahoo Mail by date on your iPhone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.